Good day. The introduction to the Jutastat online legal reference research platform continues. We will now look at navigating databases, specifically looking at legislation judicially considered. I will now log on to the platform and demonstrate the best way to do this. Once you have launched the system, I want to draw your attention to the top left corner where we're going to swap windows and get into the screen view of the table of contents. It is filed alphabetically. I'm going to scroll down to the SA Law Reports 47 to date. Once I get there, I'm going to open up and view the subsections. Under the subsections, I'm opening up legislation judicially considered, then opening up South Africa. What lists now from 2014 to 1910 is the year in which the Act was enacted. I'm going to look at 2005 or acts passed in 2005 by clicking and opening up the 2005 database or subsection. I'm going to now click onto the National Credit Act. What displays now in the main window is legislation judicially considered pertaining to the National Credit Act. The double dash next to the cases at the top denote that these 4 cases here considered the entire Act. As we continue down, it breaks down into sections and subsections of sections. I'm going to click on a Section 8 subsection 4 case, and when I click the link, the case displays. Once the case is displayed, I can go through the document at my leisure. I also have the option to click onto the link to case annotations, where I can see whether the case has been, in this example, it's been referred to in a 2014 judgment. If it was overruled, I would see an overruled reference and a link to the case that has overruled it. This is a quick way to determine whether the case you are viewing still sets precedent. In our next video, we will look at printing and exporting cases. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go through our training video series and discover more research tips.